Good morning, students. In this session today, we are going to see Unit 1 Geography, Asia and Europe. Students, listen carefully. Make a note of each and every important points in your social classwork note. If you have any doubt, make a note of it. The doubts will be clarified on the reopening day. Students, now let's recall what are all the topics we have discussed in the previous session. In the previous session, we have discussed about the location and size of Europe, about the European Union, that is nothing but the European Union, who is an economic and political union of 28 member countries for the welfare. It has own flag and the common currency, the euro, and also the physical divisions of Europe, that is mountains, plains, plateaus, peninsulas, river, bays, islands, and river basins. And also we saw about the Black Forest, Mount Stromboli, and then the climatic conditions of Europe and about the North Atlantic Drift. In this session today we are going to see about the industries, cultural mosaic of Europe, religion and language, and then art and architecture, food and festivals of Europe, and also a comparison of Asia and Europe. Let's see one by one. Students, now let's see about the natural vegetations of Europe. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. This is termed as a natural vegetation. Thus, cultivated crops and fruits from the part of vegetation but not natural vegetation. The natural vegetation of Europe can be classified as five types: tundra, taiga or coniferous, mixed forest, Mediterranean forest, grassland. Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean trees are cypress, cork, oak, olive, and cedar are found along the borders of the Mediterranean Sea. See, are all found along the borders of the sea. The woodlands and scrub is a biome defined by the Worldwide Fund for Nature. Students, in that area, summers are typically hot in low-lying inland locations but can be cool near colder seas. Although in some areas rainfall may be uniform. The biome is generally characterized by dry summers and rainy winters. Now let's see about grassland. Eastern Europe is covered by grasslands. Students, grassland is nothing but the area in which the vegetation is dominated by a nearly continuous cover of grasses. Grasslands occurs in environment conducive to the growth of its plant cover but not to that of taller plants, particularly trees and shrubs. The factors preventing establishment of such taller woody vegetations are varied. Now let's see the resources base and economic activities of Europe. Students, the availability of resources, efficiently educated workforce, research, contact with other nations and innovations have transformed Europe into a modern and economically developed continent in the world. Students, as you already know that Europe is an industrially developed continent in the world. It has great diversity in its topography, climate and soil. These interact to produce varied patterns of agricultural activities, such as Mediterranean agriculture, dairy farming, mixed livestock and crop farming, and horticulture. Horticulture is nothing but truck farming. Students, in European continent, wheat is a dominant crop throughout Europe. Barley, oats, sugar beet, rye, potatoes and hay are also common crops. Importantly, corn is an important crop in the lower lowlands and southwestern European Russia, France and Italy. Students, and also rice and citrus fruits, olive trees depend on irrigation. The northmost countries grow few cereals and concentrate on animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is nothing but the care and cultivation, breeding of crops and animals. Husbandry is nothing but the care, cultivation and breeding of crops and animals. Students, mixed farming and the use of well-tried crop rotations are widely practiced. Viticulture is mostly practiced in Italy, France and Germany. Students, viticulture is nothing but the cultivation of grapevines. The cultivation of grapevines. Viticulture means the cultivation of grapevines. Students, as for the industrial crops, European, Russia, Ukraine and Belarus are large producers of flax and hemp, sugar beets and sunflower seeds. And also tobacco is grown in Belarus and is also important in Bulgaria, Italy and Macedonian Greece. Students, and you know what? Fishing is a large industry in Norway, Iceland, Russia, Denmark, the United Kingdom and the Netherlands. Students, it is the most important primary activities of European countries. And then Dogger Bank. Dogger Bank in North Sea is an important fishing ground in Europe. Students, Dogger Bank is a large sandbank in a shallow area of the North Sea, about 100 kilometers off the east coast of England. During the last ice age, the bank was part of large landmass connecting mainland Europe and the British. Now let's see about the cultural mosaic of Europe. Students, what is meant by cultural mosaic? See, cultural mosaic is nothing but Europe is an ethnic and cultural mosaic. But under the stratum of natural diversity, there are further layers. Regional identities, strongly rooted in a history, religious pluralism, and a large number of ethnic or national minorities in almost every country. Cultural mosaic is a mix of ethnic groups, languages, and cultures that coexist within the society. Europe is the third most populous continent after Asia and Africa. Students, keep in mind, Europe is the third most populous continent after Asia and Europe. And the population of Europe was 742 million in 2018, which accounted for 9.73% of the world's population. And the population density in Europe is 34 persons per kilometer, per square kilometer. And the high population density is often associated with the coal fields of Europe. And the other populous areas are sustained by mining, manufacturing, commerce, offering large market, labor forces and productive agriculture. Students, Monaco, Malta, San Marino and the Netherlands are the most densely populated countries. Iceland, Norway have very low density of population. In general, population is scantiest in the mountain regions. Some highlands, arid parts of Spain, Monaco has the highest density of population in Europe. Students, Netherlands are the most densely populated countries. Iceland and Norway have very low density of population. In general, population is scantiest in the mountain regions, some highlands, arid parts of Spain, and the Arctic regions of Russia, or the population with the scantiest in the mountain regions. Students, Monaco has the highest density of population in Europe, that is 26,105 persons in square kilometer, as well as in the world. Iceland has a very low density of population, 3 persons per square kilometer. Now let's see the religion and language of Europe. Europe is a continent of great linguistic and cultural difference. Students, the most common spoken languages are English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Italian, and Slavic are broadly spoken languages in Europe. Students, the physical diversity of Europe is reflected by its cultural variety expressed in language. The language spoken by 9 out of 10 Europeans in the 19th century were Indo-European. The most important subfamilies within the heritage are the Romance, Germanic, and Slavic. And the Christianity is a major religion in Europe. Students, the currently dominating European cultures are Christianity, Islam, and Judaism. Though Europe is predominantly Christian, this definition changes depending upon this measurement is used. And many Europeans are bilingual or multilingual. Students, that is nothing but they speak 2 or more languages. Native languages in Europe belong to the Indo-European language family. The branches are Germanic, Romance, and Slavic languages. And the main 3 religions in Europe include Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Christianity is nothing but the followers of Christians are called as Christianity. And the holy book in the Bible, Old Testament and New Testament, is called Holy Book. The Old Testament is a Torah and the New Testament is a Crucifixion. And the leader who is called as priest and pastor. Students, and also the Hindus, the considerable of number of Hindus and Muslims and Jews are spread throughout Europe. Islams are nothing but the followers are called Muslims. The followers of Islams are called Muslims. The holy book is the Quran. Caucasian skull. Students, more than 90% of the people belong to the Caucasian race. Students, the Caucasian race is nothing but it is an outdated grouping of human beings, historically regarded as a biological taxon, which depending on which of the historical race classifications is used, has usually included ancient and modern populations from all or parts of Europe, Western Asia, Central Asia, and South Asia. Now let's see the art and architecture of Europe. Students, the European art and architecture mostly reveals the ordinary human being and is popular all over the world. Acropolis, the Colosseum, the Statue of David, the Thinker, Eiffel Tower, Big Ben, Pisa Tower, and Mona Lisa are some of the masterpieces of art and architecture in Europe. Now let's see the food and festivals of Europe. Students, every European country's best traditional dishes are bread, fish, meat, potatoes, and dairy products are the staple food in Europe. The Europeans celebrate both religious and holiday festivals like Christmas, Easter, Good Friday, the Saint Day, Redentone, Tomatino, and Carnival are the important festivals of Europe. And also they play rugby, football, basketball, ice hockey, and skiing. And also bullfighting in Spain is a world attractive game. Students, keep in mind, in Europe, bullfighting in Spain is a world attractive game. Students, now let's see the industries based on Europe country. Europe produces a significant portion of the world's steel and iron core. That is, shipbuilding, motor vehicle and aircraft constructions are widely distributed all over Europe. Europe is a large producer of pharma medical drugs. Students, a wide range of small scale industries, that is, those that produce non durable goods, is found throughout Europe. Some countries have a reputation for a specialty goods, as in the case of English, Italian, and Dutch bicycles, fashion goods, Parisian perfumes, and fashion goods Swiss precision instruments. Students, now let's see a comparison of Asia and Europe. Asia and Europe are integrated geographically and separated politically. Europe is a giant peninsula of Asia. Both the Himalayas and the Alps were formed during the same geological period. And generally the plains are found in the northern part and the mountains in the southern part in both the continents. From the ancient period, these two continents had trade relationship through Silk Route and the Spice Route. These two continents have striking difference. Let's see one by one. Asia. It is the largest continent both by area and population. Europe is the smallest continent by area and the most developed. In Asia, it extends from 10 degree 11 minutes south to 81 degree 12 minutes north latitudes. That is, from the equatorial region to the polar region. But Europe extends from 34 degree 51 minutes north to 81 degree 47 minutes north latitude. That is, from the subtropical region to the polar region. Asia is located on the eastern hemisphere, but Europe is located at the center of the earth. Asia, the Bering Strait separates Asia and North America. Europe, the Strait of Gibraltar separates Europe from Asia. Students, in Asia, the Arabian, Indochina, India and Korea are the important peninsulas in Asia. Now let's see the important peninsulas in Europe. The Scandinavian, Iberian, Italian and Balkan are the important peninsulas in Europe. Now let's see the important parallels in Asia. The important parallel pass through the equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, and it passes through it. Europe, it is only passes through the Arctic Circle. In Asia, all kinds of climatic conditions are found here, and it also enjoys the distinctive monsoon type of climate. Southern Asia receives summer rainfall. But in Europe, it lies largely in the temperate zone. It enjoys the distinctive Mediterranean type of climate. Southern Europe receives winter rainfall. And in Asia, both the hot and cold deserts are located here. But in Europe, there are no deserts here. Europe is a continent without a desert. Students, in Asia, it has a variety of mineral deposits. But in Europe, mineral resources are limited except for coal and iron. In Asia, plantation crops such as tea, rubber, and dates are largely cultivated in Asia. In Europe, citrus fruits, olives, and grapes are cultivated mostly in Asia. At last, a majority of people in Asia are involved in primary activities, that is, they involved in agriculture. But the European people, that is, a majority of people in Europe, are involved in secondary and tertiary activities. Students, by this session, we come to end of this lesson. Now let's recall what are all the topics we have discussed in the part 1, part 2 and part 3. Listen carefully. Asia is the largest and the most populous continent in the world. It is divided into 5 physical divisions. From the equator to the poles, all types of climate are found in Asia. The treeless polar region to dense equatorial forest are found in Asia. Iron ore, coal, petroleum, bauxite, mica, tin, zinc, etc. are the chief minerals found in Asia. Rice, wheat, sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea, coffee and dates are the important crops. Asia is the birthplace of all religions. Europe is the sixth largest continent. It is divided into 4 physical divisions. The European rivers play a vital role to the country economy. Europe experiences a cool temperate climate. Mixed farming is the most widely practiced type of agriculture in Europe. Students, coal and iron ore are a cheap minerals found in Europe. And the Christianity is a major religion in Europe. Now let's see today's activity. First one, distinguish between the cold desert and hot desert, and then tundra and taiga region.